guys, I'm the Guitar Ninja, and in today's video I'm going to take you through the awesome benefits of improvisation and a really basic understanding of what improvisation is. Now, this is very similar to the introduction video to the improvisation course that I have on the Guitar Ninja Academy. This is the website just here, so please check that out. Link to it is in the description below. Obviously, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's check out the content. This is a course on improvisation, which is my favourite thing to do on guitar. So one of my favourite things about this is it doesn't matter what emotion I'm feeling at the time. I don't need to learn 1,000 songs. I can just put on a track that has that right feel and play along to it. So if I'm feeling sad, I might play this. If I'm playing quite relaxed, I might play this. If I'm feeling angry, I might play this. Now, none of those riffs whatsoever were pre-written. I've just put on backing tracks by searching for metal backing track or reggae backing track, made sure that I've known the key, we'll go over that in a minute, and then rocked out over it, making things up using scale patterns I understand. So this course is going to take you through all of those details that you need to understand to be able to do this over any style of music, and it's really good because you're going to kind of find things that fit you best. So as well as improv being really awesome for the fact that we can play any style of music we want without having to learn all of the songs in every different genre and style, it's also really good because it's gonna get you motivated to play. If you can play any style, if you don't need to spend ages grinding to learn a song, you can learn some basic riffs that will work over most different genres as well, then you start to get this sense of freedom on the guitar. You can also then start experimenting and find your own sound. As well as this, improvising could be play. You could see how many slides you can fit into one short bit of improv. How many bends you can fit. You can try and bend every note. It might sound stupid, but it's play, it's fun. Just give it a go. You might try and see how fast you can go. If you've been playing along to a piece of music using quarter or eighth notes, perhaps try 8th or 16th notes. See if you can double that speed, just again, to keep it fun. And then you can try and mix the few together and see what sounds you enjoy when you mix all these techniques. Obviously, all of this improv might seem like a lot of work, but the great thing is, it should just be treated as fun. Treat it as little challenges, treat it as a game. Doesn't matter how many times you go wrong, you're playing for yourself. It's just improvising. It's not necessarily performing. I mean, I will perform with improv, but I don't tend to do that a huge amount, and definitely didn't so much at the beginning. So, it's fun. It's gonna get you motivated to pick up the guitar and play. You can play any genre using the same basic theory, and at the beginning, it really is basic. Because of that, you're going to build up your finger speed, your dexterity and control. You're going to get more and more practice with these techniques to get better and better at them, filling up this toolbox of your abilities on guitar and making you so much better without it being that hard grind of just doing the same finger exercises or the same riffs over and over again. So then I like to take the challenge to a new level, change the key, change the genre, let other people pick the key and genre. That's one of my favourite things because it's definitely going to put me out of my comfort zone. I'm going to try and incorporate any new techniques that I've learned into the song, into the improvising. So if I've just learned a new way to do a legato run or a new type of, say you hadn't learned hammer-ons and pull-offs before and you've just learned how to do them, you can try and incorporate this into your improv. So you're getting physical practice of this technique without having to learn songs that definitely have it in and only have it in one small part. And then I like to take the challenge even further by trying to play it with my eyes closed or at weird angles and things like this. So I hope that gives you a really good understanding on all of the benefits of improvisation. In fact, not all of them. I just covered a good number of them. There's definitely even more benefits. But yeah, hope that's really helped. Like I say, if you want to learn more, a full course on this is available at the Guitar Ninja Academy. Yes, this address down here. If this video was helpful, if you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. That really helps other people see the video that might benefit from this as well. And if you haven't subscribed already, please think about smacking that subscribe button, hitting the bell for notifications, because I'm doing new videos regularly and I want to make sure that I'm giving the best value out there and that you guys can find the videos. So think about subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in a new video soon. Bye!